Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Ghor Publishers. Our slogan is that we are redefining the geography of education through digital resources for conceptual learning. I am Manur Ahmed and I will be teaching you computer science for grade 8. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज के इस वीडियो लेक्चर में हम अपने यूनिट नंबर 1 इमर्जिंग टेक्नोलॉजीज की एक्सरसाइज को कवर करेंगे। जैसे कि एक एक्सरसाइज बेस्ड वीडियो है तो इसमें मुझे आपकी इंटरेक्शन और अटेंशन रिक्वायर्ड है। जब मैं इस तरह के क्वेश्चन जिसमें एमसीक्यूज हों या फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स हों या ट्रू फॉल्स हों, इनके क्वेश्चन पढ़ूंगी तो यू कैन राइट डाउन योर आंसर्स एंड व्हेन आई विल से द आंसर्स यू कैन मैच योर्स विद माइन। इससे आपके कॉन्सेप्ट अच्छे से रिवाइज हो जाएंगे। अब हमने एक्सरसाइज का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो कि एमसीक्यूज बेस्ड क्वेश्चन है इसको स्टार्ट करते हैं। So the first MCQ is emerging technology includes A. Educational technology, B. Information technology, C. Biotechnology, D. All. And the correct answer is D. All. Second MCQ is branch of computer science which deals with building machines capable of performing tasks require human intelligence is called A. AI, B. AC, C. AD or D. None. And the correct answer is A. AI. Third MCQ is dash technology creates computer generated environment. A. VR, B. AR, C. CR or D. All. And the correct answer is A. VR. Fourth MCQ is combination of science, engineering and technology is called A. Machine learning, B. Robotics, C. Artificial intelligence, D. All. And the correct answer is B. Robotics. Fifth MCQ is 3D image created with photographic projection is called A. Monogram, B. Pseudogram, C. Conogram or D. Hologram. And the correct answer is D. Hologram. Sixth MCQ is the software which are executed simultaneously on multiple computers are called A. Embedded software, B. Virtual software, C. Distributed software or D. None. And the correct answer is C. Distributed software. Seventh MCQ is in blockchain system there are dash chances to change data. A. Maximum, B. Minimum, C. 0 or D. None. And the correct answer is C. 0. Eighth MCQ is 3D printing is also known as A. Material manufacturing, B. Additive manufacturing, C. Photo manufacturing or D. All. And the correct answer is B. Additive manufacturing. Ninth MCQ is colonization is an application of A. AI, B. Holographic image, C. 3D printing or D. None. And the correct answer is C. 3D printing. 10th MCQ is web browsers are example of A. Robotics, B. 3D printers, C. Holographic images or D. Distributed application. And the correct answer is D. Distributed application. So students, अब हमारी exercise का second question है fill in the blanks, तो हम वो start करते हैं. First fill in the blank is dash may refer to the continuing development of an existing technology. And इसका answer है emerging technology. Second fill in the blanks is AI stands for dash and इसका आंसर है artificial intelligence. Third fill in the blank is AR uses a real world setting while VR is completely dash and the answer is computer module. Fourth fill in the blank is machine learning is the study of computer dash that can expand automatically through familiarity by the use of data and the answer is language. Fifth fill in the blank is the goal of dash is to design machines that can help and assist humans. The answer is robotics. Sixth fill in the blank is dash communication is a form of communication technology that enables the use of mobile phones and इस blank में आएगा distributed. Seventh blank is self-driving car sometimes called dash car and इसका आंसर है autonomous. Eighth fill in the blank is search engine result finding is an application of dash and इसका आंसर है artificial intelligence. Ninth blank is almost all mobile phones, tablets and laptops are equipped with dash devices. इस blank में आएगा distributed devices. 10th blank is medical tomography is an application of dash and इस blank में आएगा holographic technology. Now अब हम स्टूडेंट्स इस चैप्टर के शॉर्ट आंसर क्वेश्चंस को डिस्कस करेंगे। मैं क्वेश्चंस बोलूंगी और उसके आंसर्स भी आपको बताऊंगी और आप आंसर्स अपनी स्क्रीन पे भी देख सकते हैं। सो द फर्स्ट शॉर्ट आंसर क्वेश्चन इज डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन ऑगमेंटेड रियलिटी एंड वर्चुअल रियलिटी. Virtual reality is a technology that uses computer modeling and simulation to enable a person to interact with an artificial three-dimensional visual environment. It completely replaces real world with virtual world. In contrast, AR does not replace real world, but it enhances it by adding digital elements like images, animation on top of what you see. Second question is write down the benefits of blockchain. And the answer is benefits of blockchain includes number 1, secure and difficult to hack or change. Number 2, transparent. That is, everyone can see the data. Number 3, decentralized. And number 4, fast transaction without middleman. Third question is, enumerate the applications of AI. Answer is, AI is used in astronomy, gaming, data security, social media, automotive manufacturing industry, medical, robotics. Fourth question is, enumerate the applications of robotics. And the answer is, robots are used in healthcare, security, manufacturing, space exploration, entertainment, agriculture. Fifth question is, enumerate the application of machine learning. And the answer is, machine learning is used in traffic alerts, self-driving cars, Google Translate, online video streamings, virtual personal assistants, products recommendations, email spam and malware filtering, search engine results refining. Sixth question is, enumerate the applications of holographic imaging. Holographic imaging is used in number 1, in-depth image recording, number 2, optical elements, number 3, X-ray holography, number 4, endoscopic holography, number 5, recording endoscope, and number 6, medical tomography. Seventh question is, enumerate the applications of 3D printing. 3D printing is used in pharmaceuticals, biomedical, emergency response structures, interplanetary travel and colonization, educational materials, replacement parts for household items. Eighth question is, enumerate the applications of distributed application. Distributed applications are used in banking applications, stock exchange applications, web browsers, streaming services, food delivery applications, multiplayer online games. Ninth question is, enumerate the application of CAD, that is computer aided design. And the answer is, CAD is used in number 1, product design and manufacturing, number 2, heavy engineering, number 3, animations, number 4, gaming industry, and number 5, architecture design. 10th short answer question is, enumerate the application of virtual reality. And the answer is, VR technology is used in number 1, auto industry, number 2, flight training, number 3, healthcare, number 4, spaceships training, number 5, tourism, number 6, military trainings, and number 7, architecture. So students, इस यूनिट का हमारा लास्ट क्वेश्चन है लॉन्ग आंसर क्वेश्चंस, जिनके मैं सिर्फ क्वेश्चंस बोलूंगी और उनके आंसर्स आप अपनी स्क्रीन पे देख सकते हैं. सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, व्हाट इज होलोग्राफ? Discuss the use of holographic imaging. Second question is, why robots are important in our everyday life? Third question is, differentiate between machine learning and artificial intelligence. Fourth question is, how can we relate robotics with AI? Fifth question is, what are the uses of distributed applications in our life? Sixth question is, write down benefits of 3D printing. Seventh question is, predict the future of AI. Eighth question is it possible to drive a car without a driver? Justify your answer. Ninth question is, how robotics is helping humans? And 10th question is, can a computer perform operations itself? Justify your answer. So dear students, that was all about this video. इस वीडियो के बाद हमारा यूनिट नंबर 1 इमर्जिंग टेक्नोलॉजीज कंप्लीटली कवर हो गया, जिसमें हमने इसकी एक्सरसाइज भी कवर कर ली है. नेक्स्ट लेक्चर से हम अपना यूनिट नंबर 2 स्टार्ट करेंगे. थैंक यू. अल्लाह हाफिज.